In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon affiliate account. By following these easy and straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to earning commissions by promoting millions of products from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive in and get started. The journey begins by navigating to the Amazon Associates website. This platform is designed specifically for individuals looking to partner with Amazon as affiliates. Once there, you'll see an option to sign up. At this point, you have two choices. If you already have an Amazon account, simply sign in using your existing credentials. This will help streamline the process. If you don't have an Amazon account, you'll need to create one. Don't worry, it's a simple process, just like setting up an account with any online retailer. After successfully signing in or creating your account, you'll be prompted to provide details about your website or mobile app. This is a crucial step because Amazon needs to understand where you plan to drive traffic from. They want to know the purpose of your website, the topics you cover, and ultimately, how you intend to use it within their affiliate program. Be as detailed and honest as possible here to set a solid foundation for your new affiliate endeavor. Next, you'll set up your profile. This section is where you detail how you drive traffic to your content. Consider this your opportunity to shine by telling Amazon what platforms you use, such as social media or blogs, and any strategies for generating visitor engagement. This helps Amazon understand your online presence and how viable it is as a source of affiliate marketing. It's essential to be candid while presenting a professional outline of your marketing tactics. Once your profile is complete, it's time to enter your payment and tax information. This is the final step in the registration process, but certainly one of the most important. Amazon needs your payment details to directly deposit your hard-earned commissions. You'll have the option to choose how you wish to receive payments, whether it's through direct deposit, Amazon gift cards, or a check. In addition, you'll be required to fill out tax information, which depends on your country of residence and tax regulations. It's crucial to ensure these details are accurate and updated to avoid any payment delays. This step also underlines the importance of keeping this information current should any change in your financial setup occur. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Amazon affiliate account. From here, you can start exploring the platform and begin linking to products that resonate with your audience. Remember, the key to success with affiliate marketing is authenticity and consistency in promoting products that you genuinely believe in. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough, and best of luck on your journey as an Amazon affiliate.